Shillong Press Club emerged victorious in the 5th North-East Media Cricket Tournament. They defeated Media 11 of Guwahati by 9 runs in a thrilling final match. Shillong Press Club batted first, posting 148 runs in 19.5 overs. Media 11 responded with 139 runs but fell short. The trophy was handed over by Assam Deputy Speaker Numal Momin, who praised the winning team. The match was a thrilling spectacle showcasing the talent of media professionals.
Congratulations, Meghalaya Shillong team, for this wonderful victory of the fifth Northeast Media Cricket Tournament. And you have really played well. Assam team also played very well, but regular interval they lost the wicket. They could not capitalize their initial lead. So anyway, both the team played very well, but Shillong team, they played better than Assam team, so become a victorious. So my heartiest congratulations to you and best wishes for future endeavor.